In this video, I will show you how you can turn off VoiceOver on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now, if you have turned on VoiceOver on your iPhone and if you want to turn it off, now you have two methods to do that. The first method is the easiest. Now, if you have enabled Siri on your iPhone, you can ask Siri to turn off VoiceOver by just saying, "Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver."
Okay, voiceover is now off.
As you can see, Siri has turned off VoiceOver on our iPhone.
VoiceOver. Okay, I turned voiceover off.
Just like that. Now, if you have not enabled Hey Siri, you can press and hold on the side button to enable Siri, and you can ask it to turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, voiceover is now off.
Now, if you have not enabled Hey Siri on your iPhone, and if you want to turn off VoiceOver, now before we do that, I will turn on VoiceOver. Hey Siri, turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, I turned voiceover on.
Now, if you have not enabled Siri on your iPhone, or if Siri is disabled and if you want to turn off VoiceOver, now to do that, first of all, just use 3 fingers to swipe on the screen of your iPhone and look for the Settings app. Now, after you find the Settings app, now just tap on it to select it, then double tap to enter. Now from here, just use 3 fingers to scroll in the Settings app. Now, after you find the Accessibility section, now just tap on it to select it, then double tap to enter. From here, just tap on VoiceOver, then double tap to enter. Now just tap on the VoiceOver toggle to select it, then double tap to switch it off. And after you do that, you will turn off VoiceOver on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.